to think that the BTC dump is over is a deception. Okay, so don't think that we are done dumping with BTC. If you go to the lower time frame, you'll be seeing a sign of recovery to push to the upside, but that is just a lower time frame. It cannot be trusted. Okay, look from a higher time frame perspective, and you will understand the fact that we are not yet done dumping on BTC. Okay, so GM guys, welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon, and today you know what we do here every morning. We are always here every morning to see the chart of Bitcoin, to see what Bitcoin did the previous day. And don't forget, this is particularly for future traders. If you're a spot trader, I don't think you need this, because as a spot trader you need a higher time frame insight on what to do to go and on how to go about your investment. Okay, so this is particularly for future traders, and most especially for scalpers and day traders, because that's what I do. I scalp and I day trade. So today you're welcome to today's daily analysis, and we are looking at what we have on BTC yesterday and what we expect today. Okay, so yesterday I expressed how bearish I am on BTC, and you can see that BTC is not done dumping yet, considering the fact that there is a lot of both micro and macro economic news that are powering this dump. Okay, the war and the rest of them, everything is just against the market, and you can see the effect on the chart. Okay, so don't forget again, this is weekend already. Today is Friday, the 29th of May 2026. The month is rounding up already. Okay, I told you guys that I'm expecting this dump to get to around 67, 65, 64k region. Okay, so we are not done dumping yet. There might be a momentary push to the upside, but that doesn't mean that we are about to start pumping. Okay, BTC will pump, but not yet. The dump is not over yet, so have that at the back of your mind. And don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this analysis, do well to go to our YouTube channel, link on the bio, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will see, you have access to the full version of the analysis. Alright, let's get into it straight away. So Bitcoin is not dumping yet, as I said before. So let's see what Bitcoin did yesterday and the expectation today. Okay, so yeah, this is today. The first 4 hours of the Asia market is about to close in the next few minutes. Okay, so let's see what we have today on Bitcoin. So here is the high of Bitcoin yesterday at 74,600, and here is the low of Bitcoin yesterday at here's the low of Bitcoin yesterday at 72,600. Okay, so as I said before, don't be deceived. The dump is not yet over. Okay, you can see for the past 3 days Bitcoin has been closing so bearish. You can see it. Look at the candle, so bearish. Okay, so the dump is not over yet. So even today, considering the fact that today is Friday, we are entering into the weekend already, you can be rest assured that the dump will continue today, tomorrow, and into Sunday. It's as simple as that. So your call of duty is to find a way and join the dump. Attempting to buy Bitcoin now is a suicide mission. Okay, unless if you are a perfect scalper, you can always scalp your long and then scalp your short. It's as simple as that. So let's go to the 4 hours and see what the first 4 hours of the Asia market have done already, and then see what to expect today. Yeah. Oh my God, my network. Why? Okay. So we are here. Yeah. So yeah, we are here. So this is it. The first 4 hours of the Asia market are really closing bearish. Okay. Maybe I think it's an attempt to retest this other block. There's another block here on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe an attempt to retest it, then push to the upside before the actual dump. Because you know, even though I told you that market is not yet done dumping, doesn't mean that you cannot see a green candle even inside the dump. Alright, so your technical know-how and your scalping ability is what will give you money. Okay, you can see after the massive dump yesterday, Bitcoin used here as a floor to consolidate. Okay, this consolidation is either to break down or push to the upside, grab a lot of order that are still placed here, then come down. It's as simple as that. It's not a rocket science. There is no magic to that. Okay, so what are we expecting today? For me, if I must scalp a long today, if I should go to 1 hour time frame, look at the other block I'm telling you about. If I must scalp a long, so that the BTC, I'm a trader, I'm a day trader and a scalper. Even though I told you this, the dump is not yet over, I can still see a long position and I can still take it. Okay, so if I must scalp a long today, I will wait for BTC to trade here. Give me a reason, then I will scalp the long to at least around this 74k and 75k region before I can start looking for reaction for a short. Okay, because this is just a make consolidation and trying to build up for the upside, because you need liquidity. Whether you are going up or going down, you need liquidity for that. Liquidity, the fuel of the market. Just like a car, if without the fuel, the car is useless. It's as simple as that, if you understand what I mean. Okay, so this is the outlook for today. Okay, if market didn't get here and push up, I will come to the high of yesterday and wait for it for a reaction to take my short position. It's as simple as that. So your level of patience and your ability to wait is what will keep you afloat in the market. Okay, so you trade price action, you trade what you see on the chart, you understand candlestick, and the chart pattern, so that you can always stay ahead of the market. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching to this end. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow friends that are trading, okay, and those that are willing to learn trading as well. And don't forget, our June mentorship class is rolling out soon. In case you are willing to learn about trading, you can always join our community or send me a DM. Okay, so thank you so much for watching to this extent, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget, we are in weekend already. Most of the time we see boring price action in the market. Okay, so thank you very much for watching to this moment, and I will see you again in our analysis tomorrow. Have a profitable trading day, and always protect your capital in the market. Peace and love. Progress Solomon here. Bye for now.